Yeah. People say it must be so easy and nice and relaxed living on a boat. It's all kids' stuff packed up this morning, ready to go, bedding sorted, shopping sorted, all out of town loaded, bikes, everything. Been here about 2 hours, gone nowhere yet. I've still got the toilet to empty. I've filled the heating diesel and the propulsion diesel. Well, not filled them, but topped them up. And yeah, this is what the kids wanted for the lunch. So that's cool. Lunch, empty toilet, have a coffee, and go. See you in a bit. Oh, boat's taking his selfie, I better jump on, eh? Booze open sluices, and down we go. I'm just holding it on here. Not tied up, obviously, because what would happen if you tied it up? Big disaster. Yeah? I'm just using it to hold it into the side here, because otherwise boats would be bouncing around. Then in a minute I'll flip the rope off and just use the engine once we get closer to Bob. A lot easier with Bob's helping. Yeah, man. No messing about. Stumbled upon a bit of a fishing competition, I think. Cool bridge though. Boats on one side, eh, boo? Fishing on t'other. Beautiful day. That's so cool.
Look, the top is spinning. The top bit is spinning. Yeah, Dad, I think it's faster than us. Yeah,
That's brilliant, isn't it?
Maybe a bit faster than us. Yeah, but ours is
Been overtaken. That's tonight's morning. About 6:20. It's a beautiful evening. Spring is here, eh? Spring is here. Don't know where I am. I'll figure it out when I edit it and put it down there or there. Youngsters walking their tiny dog. Oh, tiny dog wants to go in puddle. Don't let him in puddle.